Yes! I watched him eat it. Let's go. No way. I sat and watched him. I was like, ooh, there's a bass right there. And I saw him just take off as soon as that dang thing hit the water. Man, got me another one.
Another bass?
Yeah. Ah, he's peeing on me. Ah, he ain't huge. Well, he's probably a pound. I saw him sitting there just kind of swimming, and I about went over my boot. First three that I caught were dang good fish. Right there.
Catch one?
Yep.
Oh, you fishing? I'm trying to.
Fish. Pretty good one too. Come on. Oh yeah. Pretty good size. Engulf the chatterbait. He was barely hooked in. Ah! Chatterbait is hooked in me on my hat. Ow. It's a nice little bass. Just give me a second, bro. There we go. Get off me. Please. Dry my hat. Can you not? Thank you. Nice little guy. Chunk. Make sure I got him on video. I seem to suck at that. There. Oh, that's the one that I was after. Yes. I think that is. He looked the same in the water. Which there's a bunch of bass in here. So there's a bass in a big old mess of bluegill. I'm wanting to see if he's gonna eat one. Oh, there's another one over there. There's a bass right there and a bass right there. Oh, he's sneaking up on one. I think, I don't know. I'm over here fishing for bluegill and there's like 20 bass over here.